Hello children, how are you? So I hope you are studying and obeying your parents. In the previous class we have learnt how to write the standing lines and the sleeping lines, and today we are going to learn how to write the slanting lines. So let's start the class. Now children, take out your English copy and also your drawing copy, so that before starting the slanting lines, we will revise the standing lines and sleeping lines. Now you can see here I have made some flower patterns, but the flower is not complete. So we can complete the flower by making standing lines. So let's start making standing lines. Yes, take your pencil and move from up to down. Move from up to down, up to down, up to down, up to down. So in this manner my flower is complete. You can see the petals and here the leaf and the stalk. And after completing the flower, you will color it. First make the flower in your copy, drawing copy, and then you will make standing lines and then color it. Now here you see two rods are here, another two rods are here, and some dotted lines are made. Now join the dotted lines and make sleeping lines. Yes, from left to right, 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 left to right. So my ladders are complete. Like this you will complete the ladder. Make the ladder in your drawing copy, and then after completing it, you'll color it. So children, as I told you, today we are going to learn to write the slanting lines. So you can see here in your English copy, you'll also make like this. Here I have made some lines, slanting lines, backward slanting lines, and some dots I have made like this. I kindly ask your parents to kindly help you to make the dots and also help you write. So now as I have made the dots, let us join the dots. Here, these are the backward slanting lines as it goes back. So I am taking the dot backward like this. You will join the two dots. Yes, from here to here. As the lines go back, it is called the backward slanting lines. Yes, like this you will join the dots and make lines. Make slanting lines like this in your English copy. Yes, it goes back from the top to bottom. It goes back. Yes. From top to bottom it goes back, back, back. Yes. You will complete it in your English copy. Yes. Like this you will practice the backward slanting lines. So you can see the backward slanting lines is complete. So children, in this class you have learnt how to make backward slanting lines. In the next class I'll teach you forward slanting lines. So take care and study well. Thank you.